Prompt engineering, a detailed definition with practical examples. Definition. Prompt engineering is the practice of designing and refining input prompts, instructions, or queries to effectively communicate with AI models, particularly large language models, LLMs, like GPT-4, Gemini, or Claude. The goal is to craft prompts that elicit the most accurate, relevant, and useful responses from the AI. It involves precision, clear, unambiguous instructions; contextualization, providing necessary background; structured formatting, using examples, step-by-step reasoning, or constraints; iterative refinement, testing and improving prompts based on outputs. Prompt engineering is crucial because AI models are highly sensitive to input phrasing. Small changes can lead to vastly different results. Key techniques in prompt engineering. 1. Clarity and specificity. Bad prompt. Tell me about AI. Problem. Too broad. AI could discuss history, ethics, or technical aspects. Improved prompt. Explain how deep learning works in simple terms with one real-world example. Result. The AI provides a concise explanation with an example. For example, image recognition in smartphones. 2. Role assignment. Persona pattern. Assigning a role to the AI helps guide its response style. Example: you are a financial advisor. Explain compound interest to a beginner investor using an analogy. Output: think of compound interest like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it grows, it picks up more snow, interest, faster over time. 3. Few-shot prompting, example-based learning. Provide examples to guide the AI's response format. Prompted members section book. Convert these informal sentences to formal business emails. Informal: hey, can we meet tomorrow? Formal: dear, name, would you be available for a meeting tomorrow? Informal: send me the report ASAP. Formal: AI output number section. Dear, name, could you please send me the report at your earliest convenience? Chain of thought, step-by-step reasoning. Encourages the AI to think aloud for complex problems. Prompt. A store sells shirts at $20 each and pants at $30. If Sarah buys 3 shirts and 2 pants, what's her total cost? Show your work. AI output. 1. Cost of shirts. 3 times $20 equals $60. 2. Cost of pants. 2 times $30 equals $60. 3. Total cost. $60 plus $60 equals $120. Excellent. 5. Constraints and guardrails. Limit responses to avoid unwanted outputs. Prompt. Give me 3 healthy breakfast ideas under 300 calories each. Do not include smoothies. Output. Scrambled eggs with spinach, 280 calories. Greek yogurt with berries and almonds, 290 calories. Oatmeal with cinnamon and banana, 250 calories. 6. Iterative refinement. Test and tweak prompts for better results. First attempt. Write a poem about the ocean. Issue. Too vague. May produce a generic poem. Refined prompt. Write a haiku about the ocean at sunset, focusing on tranquility. Output. Waves kiss golden light. Whispers of the tide retreat. Peace in dusk's embrace. Real-world applications of prompt engineering customer support. Chatbots. Prompt. Respond to a user complaining about a late delivery. Apologize. Offer a 10% discount. And assure faster shipping next time. Content generation. Prompt. Write a LinkedIn post about prompt engineering tips for marketers, using an engaging tone and emojis. Code generation. Prompt. Write a Python function to scrape a web page's title, using the requests and Beautiful Soup libraries. Data analysis. Prompt. Analyze this sales CSV data and identify the top 3 products by revenue. Format the answer as a markdown table. Prompt engineering tips for image generation 1. Be specific with descriptive details. Why it matters. AI image generators thrive on clear, detailed prompts. Vague prompts like a dog lead to generic results, while specifics create unique visuals. Tip: include adjectives, settings, and styles. For example, instead of a dog, use a fluffy golden retriever playing in a vibrant autumn forest, hyper-realistic style. Example prompt: a futuristic cityscape at sunset, glowing neon lights, cyberpunk aesthetic, ultra-detailed, cinematic lighting. 2. Use style and medium keywords. Why it matters. AI tools recognize artistic styles and mediums, letting you tailor the vibe of the image. Tip: add terms like oil painting, 3D render, watercolor, steampunk, or Studio Ghibli style to set the tone. Example prompt: a majestic dragon flying over a misty mountain, in the style of a Van Gogh painting, swirling brushstrokes, vivid colors. 3. Control composition with structural cues. Why it matters. You can guide the layout, perspective, or focus of the image to avoid cluttered outputs. Tip: use terms like close-up, wide shot, centered composition, or rule of thirds. Mention camera angles like low angle or aerial view. Example prompt: a lone samurai standing on a cliff, close-up on face, dramatic low-angle shot, stormy sky, anime style. 4. Leverage negative prompts. Why it matters. Negative prompts tell the AI what to avoid, reducing unwanted elements like blurry textures or extra limbs. Tip: include a negative prompt like avoid blurry, low-quality extra objects, distorted faces. Syntax varies by tool. Jam -- no in MidJourney. Example prompt: a futuristic car speeding through a desert, sleek design, photorealistic -- no, blurry, low-res, extra wheels. 5. Experiment with parameters. Why it matters. Many AI tools allow parameters to fine-tune quality, aspect ratio, or stylization level. Tip: learn tool-specific flags, like MidJourney's R16:9 for widescreen, or V5 for higher quality. Adjust stylization, for example, stylize 1000 for more artistic flair. Example prompt: a tropical beach at sunrise, hyper-detailed, cinematic, R23, V5, Q2. 6. Iterate and refine. Why it matters. First attempts rarely nail it. Refining prompts based on outputs sharpens results. Tip: generate an image, analyze what's off, for example, wrong colors, missing details, and tweak the prompt. Add or remove keywords iteratively. Example prompt progression: a castle, generic result. A medieval castle on a hill, better but plain. A medieval castle on a foggy hill, Gothic architecture, moonlit, ultra-detailed. Nailed it. Incorporate emotional or atmospheric cues. Why it matters. Adding mood or emotion makes images more evocative and aligned with your vision. Tip: use words like serene, chaotic, melancholic, or vibrant to set the tone. Example prompt: a lone astronaut on a barren alien planet. Melancholic atmosphere, muted colors, cinematic lighting. 8. Combine multiple concepts creatively. Why it matters. Unique prompts that blend ideas stand out and spark viewer interest. Tip: mix genres, eras, or themes, like steampunk meets fantasy or retro-futuristic jungle. Example prompt: a cyberpunk samurai riding a robotic horse through a neon-lit forest, detailed, surreal. Prompt engineering blends creativity and technical precision to harness AI effectively. By mastering techniques like role-playing, few-shot learning, and constraints, users can consistently generate high-quality outputs tailored to their needs. Keep watching Promptify for more AI insights and prompt engineering.